Hello everyone. In this video we have given a circle and there is a point on the circle A and a line segment is drawn from A to B which is of 24 units and another line which is BC passing through the center of the circle is equal to 36 units and we have to find the radius of this circle. So since OC is the radius of circle, then we can write the length BO as 36 minus R. If we complete a triangle from A to O, it's a right triangle where 90-degree angle is here at point B and this length is equal to the radius of circle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem, that is equal to hypotenuse square, which is R, is equal to base square, that is 36 minus R whole square plus 24 square. So expanding the square, we have 36 square is equal to 1296 plus R square minus 72R and plus 24 square is equal to 576. So R square will be cancel out with this R square and we have 72 R is equal to 1296 plus 576, that is equal to 1872, and if we divide this 72 on both sides, we will have a cancellation of this 72 and we will get R is equal to 26 unit, which is the required answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.